Alright guys, here we go. Premium pack number 22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Alright, so Arno 6, Susanna 2, Candy 2, Jory 4, Dude 3, Eric 2, Not Josh 5, Logan 1, Mike Mangala 3, Twinsy Trouble, Twinsy Double Trouble 4. Alright guys, 5 times, rim.org, paste and column B. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Nice, nice. Candyman, you're on top. Arno's on the bottom. Alright, guys. Paste here in column B next to the 32 NFL teams. Candy Cardinals, Josh Falcons, Jory Ravens, Bills, Not Josh Panthers, Twin Bears. Eric Bengals, Twin Browns, Dukes the Cowboys, Joy Broncos, Not Josh Lions Pack, Susan Texans. Mike Colt, Susanna Jags, Arno Chiefs, Mike Rams, Arno Dolphins Vikings. Josh Patriots, Mike Saints, Candy Giants, Logan Jets, Arno Raiders. Twin Eagles, Eric Steelers, Twin Chargers, Arno Niners. Dude Seahawks Bucks, Jory Titans, and Arno with the Washington Redskins. Alright, let's see what pack we're doing, guys. 5 times, here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And pack number tree. Pack numeral tree. If you guys want to trade, please do so now. I'm just going to update my list. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, you guys just let me know what you want to trade. Seahawks for Niners, Bucks for Vikings. Is that confirmed? Real news? Yes. Confirmed. Okay. What's up, Hoodie? $8, man. Alright, so I got Seahawks for Niners. And Bucks for Vikings. I think we're good. If not, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. And it's pack numero tree. Tree. Alright. Everybody content? Alright, Hootie. You coughed on the Niners show. Coughed twice. Yeah. I got all these packs memorized. I labeled them on camera. I honestly can't tell you what's in any of these. Like obviously I know what cards are in here. I don't know what cards are in which pack though. Not a clue. Mike, what do you want to do? All right, who they got you for 5 in the gold there, man. All right, 12 left in the gold standard. Cheat code. Eagles and Chargers for the Saints. Alright, let me see here. Eagles and Chargers. Alright. Up, down, left, right. That's correct. Alright, gold standard's good. I got 12 left in gold standard, guys. Alright, premium pack 22. Here we go. Pack tree. Pack 3, pack tree, pack tree. $11 out of 25, Marcus Mariota for the Titans. Marcus Mariota, authentic auto, 9.5. Centering edges, 10. Corners, 9.5. Surface, 9. Auto, 10. Marcus Mariota, 11 out of 25, autograph. 11 out of 25. Alright, let's repick. There's some more hits good. We got 16 or so left, man. There's only 21 left in the next one. Alright. That's going to go to Jory. Alright, Jory. There you go, Pam. There you go, man. Nice on-card Marcus Mariota. Autograph card, man. 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top. Free spout into the autograph mini helmet giveaway. Once, twice. A lot of trading, guys. We pulled a card that wasn't even in the trade. 3, 4, and 5. And Dudester. Alright, man. There you go. There you go. That'll get you a spot in premium, bonus pack 15. From premium pack number 22. There's only 18 packs left, guys. 18 left. I faked on that one. Alright, guys. Next, I got Gold Standard with 12 left. Gold Standard has 12 spots left. Gold Standard, 12 left. Premium pack has... Premium pack has 18 left. 18 left in the next premium pack. 12 left in the next gold standard. Alright, guys. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one.